I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by assembling essential documents and facts that hiring managers expect. Gather your contact details, current immigration status, and any professional licenses. This saves time when you tailor the CV. Next, list 3 to 5 recent roles with clear dates, employers, and 3 specific achievements per role so you can quantify impact. Finally, secure 2 to 3 references and copies of transcripts or certifications. Once done, you will move straight into structuring and tailoring content for Canadian employers. You now convert raw facts into a Canadian-style CV that emphasizes results. Start with a brief profile summary instead of an objective, then present roles in reverse chronological order. Keep it 1 to 2 pages unless senior. Make sure to mirror keywords from the job posting and include measurable outcomes, dollars saved, percent growth, time reduced, and list relevant tools or certifications. Use concise bullets, lead with strong action verbs, and once you finish drafting, prepare a tailored cover letter for the same role. You finish by polishing and packaging the CV so it reads professionally to Canadian employers. Proofread carefully and use Canadian English spellings. Have a peer review for clarity. Save as a PDF with a clear file name like last name CV 2026 and keep an editable copy. If you aren't getting interviews, make one key fix. Audit keyword alignment and increase quantified impact in bullets, then resubmit. If problems persist, ask a local recruiter or mentor for specific feedback and iterate quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.